Welcome to the Alchemist's cooking lab. In this episode, we'll make Tajin seasoning. Let's begin with the formula. We start with 2 limes. Using a fine grater, carefully zest both limes, collecting the vibrant outer peel onto a sheet of parchment paper. Be careful to grate only the green zest, avoiding the bitter white pith underneath. Now lightly coat the fresh lime zest with a little lime juice. While this won't intensify its aroma, it will help preserve and reinforce the bright acidity of the finished seasoning. Allow the lime zest to dry completely before continuing. This will take at least 12 hours, depending on the temperature and humidity. The zest needs to be thoroughly dehydrated to prevent moisture from affecting the finished seasoning. Next, lightly toast the dried chili flakes over low heat. This helps release and intensify their natural aromas, bringing out a deeper, more rounded chili flavor. Be careful not to over-toast them, as they can quickly become bitter. Once lightly toasted, remove the chili flakes from the heat and allow them to cool completely before continuing. This prevents the residual heat from affecting the other ingredients when we combine them. Now that all the preparation is complete, let's move on to our elements. 10 grams of dried chili flakes, 4 grams of lime zest that will yield about 1.5 grams when dried, 3 grams of salt, 3 grams of chili powder, 4 grams of sweet paprika, 4 grams of citric acid. Now, let's combine all our elements in a mortar. First, the toasted dried chili flakes provide the foundation of our seasoning, adding texture, heat, and a deeper chili aroma. Next, the dried lime zest brings a fresh, vibrant citrus character and the distinctive lime flavor at the heart of the blend. A small amount of salt helps enhance and balance the flavors. Chili powder adds another layer of warmth and depth, reinforcing the chili profile throughout the seasoning. Sweet paprika contributes a mild pepper flavor, while adding warmth and a richer color to the final blend. Before adding the final element, use the pestle to gently grind and combine the ingredients, releasing their aromas and creating a more uniform blend. Finally, add the citric acid, which provides the sharp, tangy acidity that gives the seasoning its characteristic sour kick. Transfer the finished seasoning to an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. This homemade Tajin is incredibly versatile, adding a bright balance of heat, acidity, and salt to a wide variety of dishes. Sprinkle it over fresh fruit, vegetables, popcorn, roasted nuts, grilled corn, seafood, or meat. You can also use it to season cocktail rims or add it to marinades, dressings, and sauces for an extra kick of chili and citrus. See you on the next episode, and thanks for watching.